Hi everyone, you're welcome to MyProfessorNote. So now you know that exam has been postponed, or we can say it's been rescheduled. Now you have 15 days in your pocket. So make sure you use them wisely before you go to sleep. Write down the plan for the next day and execute it early in the morning. Just grab the book. Don't just keep thinking, should I do it or not? Whatever you have planned last night, just do it. So now, why this exam was postponed? Obviously the other exams dates were getting clashed with this exam, so it was postponed or rescheduled. But this is a golden opportunity for you. This is the time for you when you cannot just merely focus on net but JRF as well. And I have shared the tips with you that what you have to do, right? Whatever topic, whatever you know, start giving mock test on it, right? Whichever website there is, but make sure you revise it, you analyze it. You will see your performance getting growth. You will see the growth in you throughout this whole journey when you will give the mocks for paper 2, just the revision. Best of luck.